Permissible purpose, right? This letter is a powerful letter. Have you gone to the dealership for one car, but you got your reports run 15 to 20 times and you left with the car but with like 21 inquiries? So permissible purpose is a letter that you send to these creditors or financial institutions that pulled your report that you didn't give permission to pull. So under 15 USC 1681B2, it speaks on permissible purpose. This permissible purpose letter, you can use it to get inquiries deleted, and that's going to be a key factor in getting all 20 inquiries deleted, because what? You only got financing from just one company, all right? So let's go.